I thought you were gonna get on it. Joe, what the fuck?
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Turbo's Garage. Now today we're gonna have some cool little footage. We have a 300ZX with a little motor swap going on. It's gonna be coming by the shop and we're gonna do a little video on that. Now the little update on our little project vehicles, we always do these updates at the beginning of the videos. You guys should be used to this. The green 240, Turbo LS240, I want to buy all the parts that I need to finish it at once. So until then, this car is pretty much going to collect a copious amount of dust. The white 240, now the KAT drift car, pretty much with this, what we're going to be doing is by the end of the month or the beginning of next month, we want to have this thing on the road and have videos going on us just having fun with it, because this pretty much is going to get running way before the green 240. But if you guys new to the channel, the green 240 is becoming a Turbo LS TH400 drag car, and the white 240 is going to be a Turbo KA setup, drift / just hoon vehicle. So it's pretty much how we're going to be doing it. So let's jump into the video.
Hey, I didn't do good on metal for that. We didn't do it, and we put it on there and it hit. Close? I know. Oh, shit. You good? Go slow. Good. Right here? Good?
Yeah, it's like a millimeter.
Yeah, it'll come up, go on it. There we go. It's close.
Down to the setup on this 300ZX.
Oh man, it's 100% stock. I got a stock LS swap in it.
Oh,
I'll show it to you.
let's see this.
It's just a 5.3, nothing special.
Just a 5.3?
It's a little 5.3, man.
Oh.
We put a blower cam out of a vet. I'm not even sure the exact specs on it, but we put a blower cam out of it. I'm pretty sure it's an LS2 Intake. You know, and little cheap throttle body. You know, we're gonna redo the intake, but we got what we're working with now. We just got the car running and driving, so it's still got a lot of little bells and whistles we got to take care of.
Cool.
But it's pretty good, man.
I saw when they first brought it off the trailer back there. I was like, man, this thing does not sound stock at all. Like, this isn't a VG30. This is something else.
Well, originally it had a VG30 on it. It was actually a Katrina car, so it was flooded out. The motor was done, so we ended up going through the whole car, electricals, everything, trying to get it straight. It still got the original transmission in it. We got the 5-speed manual in it. Independent suspension. It's all stock. Everything's stock as far as the car goes. I just put an LS swap because I didn't like the VG30. Power performance. And he's been helping me out a lot with this thing, man. Getting it tuned up, the wiring systems, the correct parts to use. It's been a whole lot of fun and a lot of work.
Definitely.
It's coming around and it's getting faster and faster.
So yeah, this interior isn't stock either. Oh yeah.
No, I mean, I put a little Momo steering wheel and I put a little race bucket in there. Not that it was anything special, but
Takata harnesses. I see
yeah,
that.
some better harnesses and stuff. I put the seatbelt bar in it and stuff, and kind of make it a little more sporty.
What type of exhaust does it have on it too?
A MagnaFlow.
Ooh.
Howard Performance actually did the whole exhaust system on it. He went from the headers all the way to the back. We did stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust, 2.5 inch. No H pipe or nothing, just dual exhaust all the way at the back. It sounds good, feels good.
Oh, it definitely is.
And we tried it with a factory clutch. We found out that didn't last very long, so now we're going with a competition stage 4. See how long that lasts.
Oh yeah.
Howard wants me to go with bigger cam and everything. He thinks it's going to pick up a lot, so he hasn't proved me wrong yet. So we're going to keep going.
Let's do it.
I bought a nitrous kit off of him. We're going to do a little 150 shot of nitrous in it, and we're gonna see how much. See if we can blow through this clutch. So.
Oh yeah, this thing's gonna be a riot.
That feels good. It's been them pretty nice size tires too. Or like 285s or something? 265? Yeah, they're wide. Car, definitely. Big V8 in this thing. Stock 5.3. Yeah, that's all it is. Man, you put nitrous or turbo on it, that's gonna be nasty.
So what you got here, man?
We're gonna S13 parts car, man.
Hey, the parts car. So we're gonna be ripping parts off of this thing, and to get some stuff onto the white 240. We really want to get this thing up and working this month, by the end of this month. So we're gonna be boosting and do some illegal drifts. Nah, we'll keep everything legal, you know, in Mexico. It's legal in Mexico. It's not illegal in the United States.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. So what is this thing? It's an S13. Is it an auto or is it a manual? Oh, it's a Manny, bruh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it just has paint issues, but shit. All these fucking S13s always have this, like, it, I guess, like, it just sun fades like that. But dude, the clean body, bruh. I mean, not really clean body, but shit.
I mean, that's fixable.
Yeah, no rust. I don't see any rust anywhere.
It's not too bad at all.
Hell yeah, dude.
It just has no titer, so you ain't, it's gonna be hard to get it back on the road. But it's good for parts, though.
Yeah, it's a good parts car. It's either a good parts car or you can just make it a drift car.
Exactly. That would really be nice if you had an
Heck
S13. You can really get like body panels on this thing.
3 240s already? Goddamn.
This is a single cam.
Oh, it's a single cam?
Yeah,
single cam KA? Ah.
Bruh.
So yeah, you got to start that shit out.
The motor's good, so I ain't worried about that.
Shit, dude. I need to throw a little 5.3 and T56 in this thing. Oh,
it could be a drift car, dude.
Heck yeah, dude.
You don't have no tire, so you can make it a drift car. Gonna bring it to the track.
So what parts are you gonna try to pick off of this thing?
Let me see. What do I need? I need a clutch pedal. I need a few like
Yeah, we got your car, man.
a few clutch lines. Just a few cables. What else? Some shifters. Like a shifter thing for my manual transmission.
It has like a short throw in there?
Yeah, it's a short throw in there.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna take that. What else? A whole bunch of little small stuff.
Okay, cool.
Really.
Perfect.
It's not bad though.
Let's start picking this little baby apart.
Make sure you can turn it over before I see it.
You have confidence we can get it started, man?
Look at that.
See if we can do that?
Star 1.
Oh yeah.
Star 1.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying.
All it needs is a buff and wet sand, my guy. That's all it needs.
And find whatever the fuck was living in it.
So you really think they can get this thing running?
Yeah, good luck with that.
Yeah. Even if this thing ran, it will catch on fire with all the shit that's on it right now.
Exactly.
So I'm trying to say,
burn down.
it's a lost
You can do more
cause.
damage by trying to get it running. I mean, you can make money off of just selling the parts.
Pretty much, yeah. So what you need off here is you're gonna need brakes, clutch pedal, like some small little parts like that too.
A shifter boot, I guess the shifter knob, whatever. Clutch lines, brake lines, rotors.
I thought it was I thought it was a running driving car.
Nah.
But yeah, it's a it's a car that's sat. This is a roadkill special.
Exactly.
Pretty much, but we're not Freiberg and Finnegan. We're two black guys on YouTube. But really with this thing, single cam KA, I mean, they're really kind of, I wouldn't say worthless, but nobody really wants these things.
Especially the single cam.
You have to pay these things are worth negative money. You have to pay somebody to get rid of this thing. Nobody wants these things. So yeah. The body is in good condition, so it'll be parted out and it will see life on a multitude of drift cars. But as a running, driving whole car as it sits right now, not really. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, favorite, and subscribe. Turbo's Garage. Holla at your boy.